Crafting with leftover wood can be an incredibly rewarding experience. As you gather your scrap pieces, the first step is to envision the potential that lies within each fragment. Every cut and splinter tells a story of its own. And with a little creativity, these pieces can be transformed into something functional and beautiful. The process not only allows you to reduce waste, but also stimulates your imagination, leading to unique creations that reflect your personal style. One of the joys of working with leftover wood is the freedom it offers. Unlike a pre-planned project with specific dimensions and styles, crafting from scraps encourages experimentation. You might start with a simple idea, but find that as you work, new concepts emerge. This organic approach can lead to unexpected results, often surpassing your initial vision. The satisfaction of discovering new uses for wood that would otherwise go to waste is immensely fulfilling. Before you begin, consider organizing your wood pieces by size and type. This can help streamline your crafting process and inspire specific ideas based on the materials at hand. Sorting through your scraps can also spark memories associated with each piece, adding a personal touch to your projects. Perhaps a piece of wood reminds you of a previous project or a special moment spent in the workshop, making the crafting experience even more meaningful. As you plan your projects, think about the functionality of the items you want to create. Useful crafts enhance daily life, whether by providing storage solutions, decorative accents, or practical tools. Consider the needs of your household or those of friends and family. Creating items that serve a purpose not only ensures your efforts are appreciated, but also encourages a sense of community as you share your creations with others. The beauty of crafting from leftover wood lies in the variety of techniques you can employ. From simple assembly to intricate joinery, the methods are as diverse as the materials themselves. Embrace traditional woodworking techniques or experiment with modern approaches like mixed media. The possibilities are endless, and each technique can add a unique flair to your projects, resulting in pieces that are truly one of a kind. Incorporating finishing touches can elevate your crafts to the next level. Staining, painting, or varnishing your creations not only enhances their appearance, but also protects the wood. Consider using eco-friendly finishes that align with your sustainable crafting goals. Personalizing your projects with colors and designs that resonate with you can transform even the simplest items into cherished keepsakes. As you delve into your weekend crafting sessions, take the time to enjoy the process. Savor the tactile experience of working with wood, the sound of tools at work, and the satisfaction of watching your ideas come alive. Crafting is not just about the finished product. It's also about the journey and the skills you develop along the way. Each project helps you grow as a maker, building confidence in your abilities and expanding your creative horizons. Engaging in woodworking projects can also serve as a form of mindfulness. The repetitive motions of cutting, sanding, and assembling can be meditative, allowing you to focus on the task at hand and escape from daily stresses. This therapeutic aspect of crafting can enhance your overall well-being, making your weekend projects not only productive but also rejuvenating. Sharing your creations can foster connections with others who appreciate the art of crafting. Whether through social media, local workshops, or community markets, showcasing your wooden projects can inspire others to embark on their own creative journeys. The exchange of ideas and techniques can lead to new friendships and collaborations, enriching your crafting experience even further. Documenting your projects can also be a rewarding practice. Keep a journal or take photographs to capture the evolution of your ideas from conception to completion. Reflecting on your progress over time can help you identify patterns in your creativity, as well as areas where you might want to improve or explore further. This kind of documentation serves as a valuable resource for future projects and can be a great source of pride. As you continue to work with leftover wood, you might find yourself developing a unique style or signature approach to your crafts. Embrace this individuality, as it sets your work apart from others. Over time, your creations will become a reflection of your personality and skills, making them even more special to you and those who receive them. Collaboration with family or friends can add another layer of enjoyment to your weekend projects. Crafting together can foster teamwork, allowing you to share ideas and techniques while learning from one another. This shared experience can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories, making the crafting process even more meaningful. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself with more complex projects as your skills grow. Tackling new techniques or larger items can push your creative boundaries and lead to a deeper understanding of woodworking. Each challenge you encounter will teach you valuable lessons, helping you to refine your craft and build confidence in your abilities. Crafting useful items from leftover wood is a fulfilling way to spend your weekends. It allows you to express your creativity, reduce waste, and create meaningful items that enhance your life and the lives of others. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and let your imagination guide you as you transform simple scraps into beautiful, functional pieces. The world of woodworking is vast and filled with possibilities, waiting for you to explore and create.